Observe the weight of the cedar without the burden of its title. The bark is rough against the palm sap, bleeding slow like thick syrup. Notice the slant like thick syrup. Notice the slant of the morning before the mind calls it a day. Strip the silver from the creek, let it be only cold and rush. Only cold and rush.
There is a depth in the valley, older than the map in your pocket. We walk through the tall ride, wait for the pulse in the timber. You have been looking for a face, while the face was watching the grass. He has been tracing your footprint in the soft silt by the river.
Tracing your footprint,
seeking the one who seeks. What is the fire up of the ridge? If we do not call it the sun, it is a heavy, wordless heat, pouring through the spruce needles. It finds the marrow of the bone, it finds the hollow of the throat. Now the distance is gone.
now the distance is gone. Now the hunger is fed. He was always there.
The labels fall like autumn leaves, rotting into the dark. Love